Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to another Number Corner day. It is Thursday. We are almost to the end of the week again. And actually, boys and girls, we are almost to the end of our month. It has been such a fast month, and I feel so lucky to be able to do it with all of you. We are going to do Wednesday and Thursday today, and then you are going to work on a picture grid on your own, okay? So let's start with Wednesday, May 19th, 2021. So that was yesterday. And we have our fun fact is that platypus fur is waterproof, which is really cool. So think about like a wetsuit. If you were like to go into the water, it's waterproof, right? And that is the same for the platypus's fur, which is kind of cool. Ooh, let's take a look today. We actually have a little saying instead of arrows. So it says, jump, Joey, jump. There it goes again. You might catch it. Just add 23 more tens. Whoa, 23 more tens. Wow. Okay, boys and girls. This is going to be a fun one today. It's kind of like a puzzle. So we are going to put in 519. 5-19, and we left off at 350. Okay, so before we can start, let's think about this, boys and girls. If I am adding, first of all, my arrows are going to go to the right, okay? I have the number, let's just kind of write it out here. I have 23 tens. Well, what do we know about tens? We know that 10 tens makes 100. So if I subtract 10, I would get 13 tens. I still have 13 tens remaining, and now I have 100, okay? So I'm going to put the 100 over here that we know we have. Then, can I subtract another 10 tens? I can. So I'm going to subtract another 10, and I am left with 3 tens. And now I have another 100. And then I have 3 tens left over, which 3 tens is equal to 30. So, boys and girls, if we go to our equation, we are going to add 350 plus 200, right? 100, 230. Let's see, let me get the plus sign. 230. And what do we get, boys and girls? That equals, well, I know that my one's a 0. 30 plus 50 is 80, and 200 plus 300 is 500. So 580 is our answer for today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to 350, and let's figure out how are we going to get to 580 by using our arrows. We can't just go diagonal, right? But we could go down 1, 2, and I can go across 1, 2, 3. So my arrows, like I said, down 2, 1, 2, over 3, 1, 2, 3. Does that match what we have? I went down, I added one of these hundreds. I went down again and added another one of our hundreds. And then I went across 3 times to get me 30 or 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. Boys and girls, really awesome job. That was almost kind of like a riddle that we had today, which is so fun. I'm going to move this up a little bit so it's our line. So much fun. So let's color in. Let's go back to our page. So we have a line that goes through it, but our green is on the top half of our grid. So we're going to go back to our grid. We're going to go to 580, and we're going to color in the top half of this. So I'm going to grab my highlighter, grab my green. I'm going to be as close as I can to getting the just half of our calendar. All right, there we have it. So now we left off at 580. Now let's look at today's card, right? Because that was Wednesday. Now we're looking at today, which is Thursday, May 20th, 2021. Our fun fact is that a baby platypus are called puggles. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, aren't they just so cute with their little bills here and their little feet? Ah, too sweet. I do love the springtime as all the animals are having all their little babies, and they're just so So sweet. All right, today, boys and girls, for May 20th, we have a full red square, and we are going up 1, which means we're subtracting 100, and we are going to the left 2, which means we're subtracting 20. So let's jump here. Stop drawing. We're going to grab our board. So it's 5/20, May 20th, and we left off at 580. And we have to go up, so we're subtracting 100, and then we're going to the left 2, which means we're subtracting 20. So from 580, we are subtracting 120 to get us, well, I know that, let's just actually do it. So I'm going up 1 and over 2. 1, 2. That brings us to 460. 460. Awesome, boys and girls. So we have our total of 460, and that is where we are going to leave off for Friday. And we went up 1 and to the left 2. Awesome, boys and girls. So in your number corner book, you are going to color in the 580 and you're going to color in 460. If you have your number corner book, awesome, you should color in there. But if you don't, or you're not sure where you put it, then you can just color in right on your seesaw, okay? Then we are going to jump to our number unknown picture grid. So, boys and girls, today you are going to be looking at the unknown picture grid 1. It's on page 87. 87. And today, the last time we did this, we had equations and we were solving for all the answers. Well, today we have equations, but we're missing numbers that make up our equations. So it's up to you to find what the missing number is. So for example, let's take a look here at our first one. 100 minus blank equals 90. Well, if I go take away 10, then I get 90. Ooh, so now then I'm going to use my orange because I'm in the orange one. I'm going to grab out an orange and I'm going, it says color in the bottom right half. Okay, so this is the bottom right half. I'm going to color in with my orange, 10. Awesome. Now we're going to look at the second one. 10 plus blank equals 30. Well, I need to get to 30. I'm at 10. If I add another 10, that would get me 20, and another 10 would get me to 30. So 10 plus 20 equals 30. So then I'm going to color in my 30, or sorry, my 20 orange. So you're coloring in what you find as the missing number. Then our next one, our last one we'll do together, 20 plus blank equals 50. Well, if I'm at 20, I need to get to 10. I'm going to add another 10, which is 30, another 10, 40, and the third 10, 50. That is 3 10s or 30. 20 plus 30 is 50. And this one says to color in the bottom left half. So this part right here. Ooh, boys and girls, I wonder what this is. So now it's up to you, again on page 87, it's up to you to finish for the yellow, the black, and the green boxes. Remember, you're finding the missing piece. So you're finding what can you add to that starting number to get you your answer. You can use your number pieces app, you can use a number line, and you can also just use scratch paper. Whatever you need to help you solve. Then you will color in based upon what you get for your number. I'll give you a hint. It's an animal that you can find in Australia. Okay, that's the one hint I can give you. Boys and girls, I can't wait to see what animal you find. Once you are done with this, you may take a picture for your seesaw and put it in here, page 87, or you can solve it right on this number corner slide for today, okay? It was great learning with you all today for Thursday. I can't wait to see what our picture turns out to be, and I will see you again tomorrow for our number corner for Friday. Have a great afternoon, friends.